Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here, and in today's video, I wanted to talk about a free Adobe Premiere plugin for the website Soundstripe. Now, if you don't know what Soundstripe is a music and sound effects resource for people making YouTube videos, documentaries, wedding videos, really any type of video creation. And it is subscription based, and you can either have a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. The yearly subscription is more, but you're going to save in the long run compared to the monthly subscription. And in that subscription, you can download unlimited amounts and quantities of songs for your different projects. And it's a really nice site. I use it and I'm a fan of it. I like the music selection. They have all kinds of stuff from just instrumental to stuff with vocals, just a wide selection. And when I found out they were making a plugin for Soundstripe for Adobe Premiere, I was pretty excited because that's one part of my workflow that just doesn't really seem that efficient. Because I'm editing in Adobe Premiere, then I have to open up a browser, go to Soundstripe, log in, and then browse for a music track, and then click play on the music track in the browser, then go back to Adobe Premiere and press play to see, does it match my feel or the mood of what I'm trying to set. And then you're going back and forth between browser and Adobe Premiere, and then you're downloading a track, then you download it to your computer, and then you have to find it, and then drag it into your timeline. It's just a lot of extra steps. And so now all I have to do with the plugin is just go to Adobe Premiere and then go to my extensions and put the Soundstripe extension in a window, sign in to Soundstripe, and then I can browse all of their selection right within Adobe Premiere. And I can preview files. I can actually download preview tracks and just drag it straight onto my timeline and make edits to it. Now there are watermarks for the preview tracks and they are a lower quality. But it's just so easy to find a track and try it out to see if it actually works. And then to actually license a track is just as easy. Just a few clicks and then you have your track licensed for your video that you're using it for. This has just made the workflow so much easier, so much quicker. And I just think this is a no-brainer, especially if you have Soundstripe. There's no reason why you should not get this Adobe Premiere plugin unless you're not using Adobe Premiere. But this is going to help your workflow, and it's just going to save you time, and it's just really easy. And if you do not use Soundstripe, I would recommend it. It is a good source for music tracks and sound effects. They have two different tiers. One is just for the music tracks, and then there's one that actually has these sound effects. But if you are not signed up with Soundstripe and you are interested, I have an affiliate link down in the description. And also I have a promo code, which is Tyler10. You will get 10% off your first subscription, whether it's the monthly subscription or the yearly subscription. You'll get 10% off that first transaction. So either 10% off your first month or 10% off your first year. And with the year, you are going to get the better deal because it's more cost effective if you look at it compared to just paying per month for a whole year. And so that's going to be it for this video. I'm a big fan of Soundstripe, great quality music. The price isn't bad, especially considering you get unlimited amounts of downloads for your different projects. And the fact that they just added a Premiere Pro plugin, that's a definite win in my book. And so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe for more videos from me. All my social links are all down in the description below. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.